Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Ensure Air Raid DMC1 files are complete and checksums match. Next, install the required driver and grant admin privileges so the app can access hardware. Once done, make a backup of the current configuration folder to avoid data loss. You should now launch the installer. Follow prompts and choose Custom Install if you need specific paths. These steps prevent permission errors and let you revert quickly if settings break. Now you configure behavior. Open settings and map inputs precisely, assigning keyboard or gamepad profiles so controls feel responsive. Then adjust audio buffer and latency to balance performance versus crackle. Lower latency reduces delay but may require higher CPU. Once mappings and audio are stable, enable info-level logging so you capture actionable events without overwhelming noise. Make sure to test a short run after each change. Iterative testing. Finish by running a full test session to confirm stability and save the final configuration as your default. If you encounter crashes or freezes, restore the backup immediately to return to a known good state, then reproduce the issue while collecting logs. Compare the latest logs to the baseline to spot errors. If problems persist, contact support with the log output, exact DMC build, OS version, and steps to reproduce. That information speeds resolution and avoids repetitive troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.